Aubrey. 36 na nga pala ako ngayon and I'm a mom to my two beautiful girls. The other one on my hip and the other one asking for snacks. O diba? Ganun ang life natin bilang mga momshies every day and of course, it's a repeat. Eto, I'm currently on my maternity leave, building a life with more freedom in between the mess of motherhood. Siguro sabi niyo, uy, buti pa siya, she figured everything out. I'm not here pretending that I figured everything out, because I'm not. I'm still figuring it out actually. And I'm just done choosing between my time to be present para sa mga anak ko and chasing the income that just drains my family. Yung minsan parang pakiramdam mo, you're trying to build a dream during the nap time. So kung isa ka sa mga working mom or struggling mom katulad ko, at pagod ka ng ma-stop on everyone else's schedule, but your own, this space is for you. Para sa inyo talaga to. I'm building time freedom here, real time. So if you're a working mom or a struggling mom, trying to make space for your dreams, tandaan nyo hindi kayo nag-iisa. You will never be alone in this journey. Let's build this life.